Yo, we back at Alexa Winter Park with my boys.
Yes, sir.
We got Danny, F80 Danny. We got Shane M3, my boy Betty. You already know the vibes. We are at their apartment complex right now. We are doing a leather cleaning video, which I just put them to work. You guys will see very shortly.
I gotta take the hoodie off.
Yeah, I gotta take the hoodie off. But make sure you guys hit them up for any detailing cleaning needs or advice and tips. My leather definitely needed some TLC, so came over here to get some help. And then showing them the wheels as well. What do you think? What do you think?
Baller, baby, baller. No, you know what I'm gonna say, baby? It's brazy. It's brazy, baby.
It's crazy. What do you think, Jerry? What do you think? In person, right? It's different.
Like it's crazier. Like in video, it's one thing, but in person, it's
it's completely different. It's completely different.
I agree. Like in my garage, the lighting kind of makes it like look like one color, kind of. But
yeah, in person, you look at the face, and it's totally different from the lip. It's not just one color.
100%. And they're not even ceramic coated yet, which we will be doing shortly.
Yes.
But thanks to the homies. Give them a follow. Let's go.
Oh.
I got my workers, my homies.
We out here
In the
what
shop.
Up, YouTube?
Introduce yourself. What are we doing today?
Welcome to the Alexa and Park Garage Detailing Emporium. We got Danny, myself, and we got
my boy Shane
out here.
Eddie. Damn, I don't know. I'm so lucky, bro. I got my two boys detailing my car for me.
Facts. Get you some friends like this.
Let's go. This is my boy Benny. And it looks like they're in a sweatshop right now. Fucking yo, cleaning my leather for me, bro. I asked them for some tips, and they came out here and started scrubbing. Tell them what you're doing, Benny. What products are you using?
So, on this side of the vehicle,
Yeah.
I'm using.
On this side of the vehicle.
on this side of the vehicle. I'm using Adam's Leather Interior Cleaner.
Yes, sir.
And pretty much, Danny's doing the same thing. He's just using a different chemical. He's using P&S Interior Cleaner. So we're just trying to agitate Viet's new interior because it was a little bit dirty. So right now we're just doing a more or less of a deep cleaning on his, leather seats on his red guts.
Yep.
We're trying to, if you guys can see this, I don't know how well you can see this.
No, yeah, you can see it's super shiny.
Right, it's super shiny up here. That's how you know the leather is dirty.
Yep.
And if you look down here, it's still a little shiny. That's the reflection of the light, but this is like a matte finish.
Yeah.
And anytime you have leather, you want to have this matte finish. That's how you know it's clean.
100%, yeah.
So right now, me and Danny we're cleaning the leather. We're trying to get everything to look matte, and we're trying to remove some of the dirt that is embedded into the seat itself, just to make it look better, rejuvenate a little bit, and bring it back to life.
Oh yeah.
So.
My man's with the explanations. You guys can actually see it on the other side a little bit better on Danny's side because of lighting.
Yeah. So if you look here, it's kind of still a little bit shiny, and then you start looking down here and the leather's looking matte, which is how your leather should look. If your leather's clean, it should be matte. It shouldn't look like it has any type of film on it, no shine. It should just be flat.
Exactly. And you guys can see it in this video actually. And Danny, what are you using today over here?
So we're using
the Gentani hoodie.
Yeah, keep the Gentani, bro. But yeah, we got the Express Interior Cleaner from P&S. This is what I like to use on my car. It works really good, honestly. You try to clean and maintain your car, once a month or whatnot. So it's good value, good product, so definitely recommend it.
Yo, hit them up if you're in Orlando.
Exactly.
They come detail your car. Make sure you follow my boys. Let's go. You guys can see how shiny and unattended this leather is in the back. But these dudes going to work, yo, for real.
Working, baby.
Yo, let me swap with you. I feel bad, yo.
It dries out buying it.
Yo, when are we gonna be installing lips?
Soon. Real soon. It's about time. Our lips are pretty messed up, as you guys have seen.
Yeah.
But yeah, making that real soon.
Rusted and crusted, yo. Oh, damn.
Super dirty.
That's embarrassing.
It's alright though.
Hey,
Clean
not
out.
my seats up. Yeah. Oh, damn, that's bad, yo. Yo, that's bad.
Dirty boys.
Yo, hit him up. Hit him up for them detailing needs.
Business right here.
Yeah, this is sick. Alexa detailing.
Oh, we got the hose right over there.
Yeah. We talked about doing a video here for so long, and we're finally doing one.
This is the spot.
I always see, Ben and Wayne doing videos here, but now we out here. Let's go. Anything else done to your car, Danny? Anytime soon?
No, that's it. Just the CS lip that I need to throw on.
Oh, it's a CS lip. I didn't even tell people yet.
Yeah, so now you know.
Yeah, we're doing the CS lip. As you guys can see, my shit's fucked. It's from the dead animal. Yo, shit's literally fucked. There's no other way to say it. Like, yo, you can still get monetized while cursing on YouTube. So shout out to my boys at YouTube. Not gonna sugarcoat. This thing is effed up. But yo, CS lip's gonna go hard on our cars. I'm pretty stoked about that.
So good.
Yeah.
Well, the good thing is we can drop our cars lower because the V-style lip is that shit hangs so low.
Exactly. Yeah.
So with the CS lip, you're gonna have more clearance.
Exactly. Damn, you guys see the difference? But you guys can just see for yourself how matte that is. Shout out to the homies. I'm gonna probably do the rear seats back at home. Give these guys a break. But thank you. Shout out to my boys. Make sure to leave their Instagrams down below. Make sure you guys follow them. And then also follow Ben's YouTube channel. Ben's giving you guys some better light. You guys can see how matte it is compared to the rear, which is just super slick and glossy. And dialing it in for Invasion. Let's go. Let's go, boys. 2 weeks. Let's go. We're gonna do the podcast very soon. After BMW Invasion, when everything's dialed down, everybody stopped emptying their bank accounts. We're gonna do it either here. I mean, everyone's gonna be moving soon, but we'll figure it out. We can come to my house or something. Plus, Ben's a tech, so he's gonna tell us all the technical stuff. We're gonna speak our 2 cents from Facebook, and yeah. But he's gonna tell us the real knowledge. But stay tuned for that. Alright, we just left Benny and Danny's place. Headed back home now. Alright, checking in with you guys from the garage. I just wanted to give you guys a better look on what products Danny and Benny were actually using. So right here, Danny was using P&S Express Interior Cleaner, and then Benny had a huge care package of Adams products. So he said he really likes Adams, and this is their interior detailer. So yeah, these are the 2 products that they were using. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rear seats. There you can see how slick and shiny it is in this area, especially when like lighting hits it. The overall finish should end up looking like this. I think it's gonna be pretty hard to tell on camera, but these are the 2 seats that they worked on, and they both have a very matte finish now. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, but in person it's super noticeable. When I first picked up these seats, they were super slick, super glossy, and definitely not show ready. But now the front and the armrests are definitely show ready. So again, shout out to my boys Danny and Ben for helping me out. Make sure you guys give them a follow. I will link their Instagram page down below. What I did was basically spray down the leather with the P&S product on this side, and then I let it sit for just a couple seconds. Then I used this brush that Benny let me borrow from Obsessed Garage, and then I slowly worked it in with the brush, brushed the product into the leather, and then I wiped down the product with a clean microfiber, making sure to flip it so that I wouldn't be wiping the dirty side on the clean leather. And it's made such a difference. Again, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell on camera, but now the leather is super matte compared to the other side, which is super slick and super oily. Alright, as you guys saw, I did the centerpiece right here, the center seat, and it just looks so much better. I think you guys will be able to see right there how matte it looks. It's not super shiny or slick at all. I have not done this side yet. It's kind of hard to tell with the lighting, of course, but you guys can see right there, it's kind of like oily, slick, and then over here, it's just matte. Again, on this side, we're going to be using the Adams Interior Detailer, and then same application on this side as well, but we're going to be using a mitt from Benny instead of a microfiber. Wow, Adams sprayer is like 10 times better than P&S. Alright, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell again with the lighting, but Adams Polish Interior Cleaner, I think, does the same exact job as the P&S side. I guess it's all about personal preference. Overall, they both made the leather very matte. took away the gloss or the shine. So super happy with both products. Again, thanks to Danny and Ben for helping me and letting me borrow their products to compare. Happy with how the leather and the interior looks now. Definitely show ready. We're also going to be cleaning my steering wheel, which needs some TLC. I don't think it's ever been cleaned before. For those of you guys that don't know, I had a carbon wheel and I actually took it off because the blue stripe on top did not match the blue right here. And then on top of that, my steering wheel alignment wasn't straight, so it took away from the enjoyment of having a carbon wheel or an aftermarket wheel. But I am still in the market for a new steering wheel. I'm just not sure which one I'm gonna opt for yet, but as you guys can see with this lighting, it's very, very shiny, which leather should not be. That looks 10 times more clean than before. It's oil mark, super matte, as you guys can see right there, and it just looks so much better. Definitely gonna order one of these products after this video because I definitely need to keep up with this maintenance and do it like once a month or once every 2 weeks, because this and this makes such a huge difference. You can definitely tell from this angle just how matte it is. Such a night and day difference than before. Legit a whole new car. Definitely gonna maintain this moving forward. Like I said, it just makes it look so much cleaner. But as you guys can see, everything now is a matte finish, which is how leather should be. The reason why my hood is open is because I just got done installing my new CS lip right there, as well as my driver's side icon headlight, which is probably the video that came up before this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The leather looks spot on clean. Shout out to Ben and Danny for letting me borrow their products. Couldn't have done this without them. Make sure you guys give them a follow. I'll link it down below. Comment down below if you guys are going to Invasion. I hope to see all you guys there. The event itself is going to be super fun. It's probably going to be the biggest BMW event in Florida, and then the rally the next day should be super fun as well. Can't wait to rally with all the people and of course get some footage for you guys, get the vlogception going. It's going to be a blast. Next week is going to be crazy. Also, if any of you guys are local, we're actually having a pre-invasion meet on Friday with Orlando Beamer Club. We're actually going to Big Storm Brewing, which is downtown by the Amway Center, which is where the Magic play. So yeah, I hope to see you guys there. It's going to be a BMW filled weekend. It's going to be hella fun. We still got some more videos planned. After this video, I'm actually going to be taking off my wheels and cleaning them and starting the ceramic coating video. So stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss out. And then we also have a few more videos just to get the car dialed in before next weekend. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.